Hi guys, welcome back to our Wix Harmony series. Today we are going to learn how to create content with the help of Aria, Wix Harmony's AI. Let's get started. Click on the text that you want to work on, then go to Ask Aria on the action bar above. Below it, you can select from different options, so you can improve the selected text, simplify language, make it shorter, and so on and so forth. You can even input what you'd like Aria to do with your text right over here. So if you choose this one, simply input your prompt and click this Go button. In my case, I'll just improve the text that I wrote here. And once you select an option, Aria will then get to work, which you can see here on the panel on the right. And once Aria is done working on it, it'll automatically replace your text with its content. Once you're done, your changes will then automatically just be saved on the Wix Harmony Editor. And that's it. Super quick and easy to use Aria. Hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.